Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can publish and unpublish on Pollo AI. In order to do so, here we are at pollo.ai, and the first thing we want to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to My Creations, and you can see with both of these that up at the top it says Unpublished and Publish. So if we click on this, then you'll see that publishing is a feature that is only available if you're on the subscription. Now, I might assume that if this is where you see this button to publish and unpublish, then I would expect that that is how that's going to work. So it is locked behind a subscription, but I expect if you want to publish that, then you just have to click that. And if you want to unpublish it, then right now this is unpublished. So once you publish it, then if you want to unpublish it, you can come back and just click on that button there again. Take a quick look here at the bottom, and you can see as well that we have the publish option, which is a premium feature, and also the delete option is also a premium feature. So I'm assuming then publish and unpublish. If you want, you can click this button up here. Otherwise, it seems that both the ability to publish and delete or unpublish is behind the subscription paywall. So that's something to take into consideration, but that is essentially how you accomplish that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.